With mobile accessibility becoming a critical requirement for app compliance, automated accessibility testing is more essential than ever. Lambda Test now enables native accessibility automation testing for both Android and iOS apps. I'll show you how to run automated accessibility tests for Android apps in this video. For the setup process, refer to the documentation given in the description box below. Head over to the Lambda Test dashboard. You can see that the executed script is running over here. Click on it and you can see that under accessibility you have an entire summary along with mobile view. Click on get full report. This will lead you to the automation reports dashboard that will give you a detailed analysis of all the accessibility issues found. Under issue summary, you can get an issue breakdown that gives you a chart like summary. And under all issues, you have all of the accessibility issues found on the basis of its severity. You can also mark them as a bug. And suppose I click on one of the accessibility issues, I can get an entire description about the element details and also how to fix these particular issues. So there's also a mobile view access where you can look at the accessibility issues through a mobile view. You can also share your issues or invite people, download the report, mark as bug, rename, or also delete the issue in case it's needed. And that's it. With this approach, you can easily automate accessibility testing for both your Android and iOS apps using Lambda Test. This method ensures your app meets accessibility standards with minimal effort. For detailed step by step instructions, check out the full documentation on the Lambda Test website for both Android and iOS accessibility testing. Happy testing!